What's up, man?
Sugar.
This your boy Steve-O.
Come on, sugar.
Shooting the AR-15 5.56 NATO green tip penetrator rounds. We're gonna shoot this TV back over here and see if this motherfucker can do anything with it, man.
Sugar. Come here. Come on, girl. Come here. Come here. Stop. Sugar. Sugar. You don't like that shit at all.
Damn
nigga.
it.
That's a good bitch.
Man, that TV is smoking. You wanna?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Start hitting the motherfucking button. Man, watch out, bitch. I'm gonna take the corner off. Hey, did you just bite me? Like, get your ass down. What I say? Hey,
Get your ass down far.
Sure.
Quit.
quit. I know you don't like guns. Come on. You alright?
Stop it.
No.
Hey, bite me again, motherfucker.
That's
Quit,
my
nigga.
baby.
Quit. You better fucking quit.
Street clear.
You shooting some more? Come here, sugar.
Man,
Come
it's
here.
time for Big Daddy to
Quit fucking bite me, bitch.
let his little brother shoot a few.
You sit your motherfucking ass down, nigga. Quit biting me. Quit biting me. Quit biting me. Quit.
Had a small malfunction in the clip. Might need to re-grease it down a little bit.
What did you jam up?
No, clip rotated and bullet rotated in the clip. Yeah. My baby right here.
You okay now?
You want to try shooting it?
No,
Huh?
I don't know.
Go then. Go, bitch. Go. You better quit fucking biting me, nigga. Get your ass down. Quit. You wanna go back to the house? Let's go. Nope. Motherfucker. You better cut that shit out.
Just some cheap steel case
Bitch, I'm not
ammo right here.
Sugar.
Ooh.
Sugar.
That's fine.
Shit your ass down, nigga. You thirsty?
See, happy.
You gonna quit fucking bite me, nigga? Bitch, I'll fuck you up. Now what you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do now?
We're gonna actually get some more
Can't do shit, can you?
clips and well
Quit.
magazines for
No.
my 1911 and my Beretta 92. But she sing like a cherry. And that's 45.
How many shells was that?
9.
That's all they hold?
Yeah.
Big ass motherfucking casings then.
Bro, that bitch went through this motherfucking like big ass steel thing, bro. Like that bitch ate through that hole. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't do nothing to the backside of it. It didn't do a thing to the backside. And that's the 5.56. You know what I'm saying? That's the 5.56. Man, it look like that steel is like maybe a half an inch thick. You know what I'm saying? Like, that bitch went through it like it ain't nothing. The TV, it completely destroyed the TV. It and the 45, but the penetrator rounds definitely did a damn bad good job on destroying it. Like you can see exit wounds all over this bastard.